of the Warriors Dream Series Fight Night. Here we go with the professional bout number 11, the Bantamweight division. Ladies and gentlemen, we now enter the professional Bantamweight division right here at Warriors Dream Series 16, the Fight Night. Higher stakes, sharper kills, and no room for error. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, representing the Cross-Train Fight Club, trained under the coach Siddharth Singh. Make some noise for Anubhav Kashyap.
I'm the warrior, this is my way. I'm the warrior, this is my way. I'm the warrior, this is my way. I'm the warrior, this is my way.
Fighting out of the red corner, representing the Combat Fitness Center, trained under the coach Sohail Khan. Please welcome Rehan Rizvi.
We are warriors, warriors. We are warriors, warriors. We are warriors, warriors. We are warriors, warriors. When the world is asleep, we stay awake with thoughts running deep. We are warriors fighting silent wars, chasing dreams behind closed doors. Warriors in a world of dreams, facing fears, tearing out the seams. We are warriors in the night we gleam, living life like it's more than it seems. Warriors in a world of dreams, facing fears, tearing out the seams. We are warriors in the night we gleam, living life like it's more than it seems. Whoa, I'm the king, yeah.
The speed meets the ambition, and this is where the statements are made. Let's begin with the Warriors Dream Series 16, the Fight Night. The next bout, here we go.
So that's the tail of the tape for you guys. We have Anubhav Kashyap fighting out of Cross-Train and Rehan Rizvi fighting out of CFC Mumbai. Solid matchup. Anubhav is known as the Cheetah, fast striking, started with bare knuckle Kyokushin karate, now he's back at MMA. Trains under Siddharth Singh, so I'm expecting the ground game is going to be good. Whereas Rehan on the other side is a really, really good wrestler. He's going to go for those takedowns. He's trying to follow up with ground and pound or submissions. So all in all, a very exciting fight for us. Both of them gauging distance. Rehan goes for a takedown. Anubhav reverses it really well. So So that is the strategy. Rehan will try his best to go for the takedowns. Anubhav has to maybe reverse them. So a good idea for Rehan would be he needs to take those takedowns towards the cage. It'll be very difficult to defend against such takedowns when the cage is pinned behind. Anubhav tries a kick, grabbed by Rehan. So the single legs are more effective, I would say, against a striker that is using kicks primarily. Rehan can try to complete this.
Control him, Rehan. Control him, Rehan. Hips ko control karo, uski hips ko control.
So Anubhav is being really smart right now. He has Rehan in his corner. So you can see his coach advising him, definitely giving him an edge here.
Aage push karo usko. Aage push karo.
Can Rehan complete it? The scrambling has been pretty well in this game. Anubhav knows his opponent is going to go for the takedowns. He's using that opportunity to bait him to go for those takedowns and scramble really well. Even here you can notice he had Rehan's arm pinned down. He does it again. It's a great tool to immobilize that arm. So there could be a transition to mount if he gets that shield off. So Rehan can scramble out of this situation. He has a good chance. Anubhav throwing some heavy knees. These are the pro bouts. They're going to throw knees to the head. Get ready for action. Anubhav is on top again. He was going for the Americana, slipped off the wrist. So good defense by Rehan. Yet again the weight manipulation comes into play. He has his weight on Rehan's chest, making it really, really difficult to breathe. That ends up gassing a fighter. So can be used as a really good tool. And Anubhav is clearly using that to his advantage. And Rehan gets on top. He's in the dominant position. He needs to maybe transition to mount, get into a ground and pound entry. So the expectation is that Anubhav's ground game is going to be strong. He trains at cross train, so that's bound to happen. But then again, I do trust that Rehan can be able to counter it. There's a few simple fixes for this, and I feel like he knows them. So in this situation, you can see the knee shields were in. He's landing those knees now. So grappling against the cage again. So the cage can be a really good tool to, secure your takedowns. As the center of gravity is on both their feet, he needs to sweep them off. As you can see, Anubhav Kashyap is doing a good job by not keeping both his feet together. He has them spread out. He's creating and widening his base, doing a really good job. Just look at that sprawl. So Rehan's on his back now.
Come on, Rehan, 20 seconds. 15 seconds, come on, 15 seconds. Come on, go. Come on, go.
So Anubhav can easily transition to Rehan's back. And the round ends. Solid performance by both of these fighters. So Rehan was successful in his takedowns, but Anubhav is ending up being very superior on the ground. So I feel like maybe Rehan should still pursue that ground and pound entry. because Rehan, his base is wrestling. He has mastery in that. He's going to stick to that. So, and obviously, if you consider Anubhav's previous record, he is a master striker. So he's going to be fast with his strikes. So let's hope Rehan finds a counter to this in the upcoming round. So we commence the second round.
Wars, chasing dreams behind closed doors.
So let's see what this round has in store for us.
शाबाश रेहान जो बोला वो कर जो बोला वो कर Come on, go.
Yeah, Rehan is switching it up a bit. He is trying striking.
Go. वो बनाया वो रेहान है नहीं वो Come on, go रेहान
Yet another reflexive hip throw. Yet another twist hip throw. So I think Anubhav has...
come on रेहान
So Anubhav has analyzed Rehan's game. He knows he's coming for the takedown. He's going to use that momentum and twist and transition into a better position suited for him.
Come on रेहान Come on रेहान किए Come on ठीक से use करो Come on, go
And Anubhav lands a solid kick. So can he complete it? Anubhav needs to keep landing those strikes. It could be a TKO. Rehan showcasing endurance. Those are some powerful strikes. It could end all. It could end right here. It could end right here. He needs to keep pummeling those strikes. Keep landing them. He's landing them and it's a TKO. Barrage of strikes landed by Anubhav. Overall, a solid performance given by Anubhav. Rehan was good in his takedown attempts. The crowd goes wild. Good job by both of these fighters. Both of them played to their strengths. But I feel like Anubhav did a good job at analyzing his opponent a little better. But no discredit to Rehan, one of the strongest wrestlers we've seen fight. He was good in his takedown attempts. He was also good in a few spots in the ground. He had the dominant position a couple of times. So definitely credit to both of them. So your winner by TKO.
Referee stoppage. Round number 2. 1 minute 28 seconds. Win by TKO in the blue corner.
Let's go. Cross Train gets another victory. It's Anubhav Kashyap this time.
Hello. Requesting the coaches to please step inside.